Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for every man. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Wolfbox 12 inches mirror dash cam backup camera. Upgraded from most rearview mirror cameras, Wolfbox 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lens provide an ultra-wide view, minimizing the blind spots for safe driving and reversing. With smart screen split function, you can observe dual lens display simultaneously. With a curved screen, the body is more smooth and more suitable for the curvature of the human retina. Its looking makes the mirror camera perfectly integrate with existing mirror. With built-in high-quality chip, Wolfbox mirror camera records front and rear with high resolution of Full HD 1080p. When the front camera records only, it can up to 1296p. The car camera applied an upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce reflection during the day. 6-layer glass lens enhances night vision in dark environment. License plate and other small wordings are clearly displayed. Backup camera shows rear view of the car by displaying high-resolution streaming image in the rear view mirror. It also has upside down of rear view and rear cam mirror image menu to adjust the rear image vertically or horizontally. So it can install on pickup trucks, or even on top roof more conveniently. Loop recording allows continuous recording even if the memory card reaches full capacity. G-sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. Parking monitor functions as a surveillance camera system while the vehicle is off. Next, Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. Whether you're relaxing by the fire or sleeping under the stars, this camping hammock has everything you need to stay comfy and covered throughout the night for your next camping trip, or even just lounging in your backyard or patio on a hammock stand. Lightweight and convenient, this travel hammock weighs only 24 ounces and folds to the size of an eggplant. Single hammock measures at 9 feet long by 4.5 feet wide for one person, and the double hammock measures 10 feet long by 6.5 feet wide for either two people or anyone who wants some extra space. Throw it in your backpack and go. Equipped with two 9 feet long tree straps and carabiners, this tree hammock makes setting up a breeze. It also features 5 separate loops, so you can adjust it to the perfect height. Single hammock holds up to 400 pounds, while the double hammock holds up to 500 pounds. Next, Refly large screen smart bracelet for men. 1.91 inches color full touch display, HD resolution. Vivid wide field of vision and smooth touch of fingertips. Cool metal frame and deep level 64-layer process polishing. Extraordinary material quality and exquisite design with ergonomic silicone strap, comfortable and skin friendly. Optical heart rate sensor, watches your heart rate changes all day long. Connect mobile app to view your heart rate changes at each stage. Intelligent measurement of blood pressure, one key measurement of blood pressure anytime, anywhere. Sports data is recorded all the time, and multi-sports modes can be switched freely. Adapt to various sports to help you develop a perfect body. 7 sport modes. Run, mountaineering, walk, cycling, football, badminton, and swimming. Worry about missing the call. The bracelet will vibrate to remind you. Worry about missing important information. Synchronously receive the information received by mobile phone and read it immediately after raising your hand. Next, Neewer 50-in-1 action camera accessory kit. Compatible with most action cameras. Designed for all head sizes and body shapes, the straps secure the camera on your head and chest for taking breathtaking shots of surfing, skateboarding, parachuting, and bungee jumping. The helmet strap tightly fastens your camera on a helmet for road biking races, mountain and bike trails. The wrist strap with a 360 degrees rotatable mount is easily adaptable to fit your wrist and arm for taking shots from different angles. The floating handle grip keeps your camera afloat in the water when swimming or snorkeling. Handlebar mount fits bars on your bike and motorbike and allows 180 degrees tilt movement. Suction cup attaches your camera to the car for in-car footage. Flexible tripod can wrap around objects and stand stably on bumpy surfaces. The lightweight selfie stick is ideal for taking selfies and videos on the go. Next, Nutri charger for Apple Watch portable iWatch USB wireless charger. Built-in latest magnetic adsorption module, charge immediately after contact. The magnetic charger comes with a USB charger port, and charge for Apple Watch. Built-in intelligent chip, offers original charging speed for your Apple Watch. You can carry this compact portable charger out easier rather than taking long and oversized charger stand. Just slide portable charger into your pocket or hook it on the bag. The keychain design allows you to hang on the keychain to prevent loss when you travel. No extra charging cables are needed. Saves you from the hassles of tangling cables. Wireless design makes you more convenient to carry this wireless charger, no need to worry about the winding knotted charging cord. It is the best choice for you to go out with. Next, Write in the Rain weatherproof top spiral notebook. All-weather paper won't turn to mush when wet and will repel water, sweat, grease, mud, and even survive the accidental laundry mishap. Make sure your pocket notebook stays right in the rain. Tough impact-resistant wire O binding won't lose its shape in your back pocket or backpack. Unlike a standard spiral notebook, wire O keeps your open pages aligned and intact. Use a standard pencil like a 2 Ticonderoga or an all-weather pen like a Fisher Space pen and your notes will stay intact. Standard ballpoint pens will work when paper is dry. Water-based inks will bead off right in the rain paper sheets. Polydora material creates a tough but flexible outer shell. Whether you're needing a hiking journal, outfitting your police gear, starting a golf journal, or just keeping a shower notebook, the Polydora cover material will defend your field notes from scratches and stains. Next, semi-automatic power screwdriver with screw holder. This semi-automatic driver switches between 6 bits with a slide action changer. Cycle from Phillips to flathead and 4 more of your favorite bits with just the flick of the thumb. Up to 18 months, as a matter of fact. The efficient 4V Max lithium battery gives you the driving power you need, and will still have a charge the next time, even if that's months from now. This innovative attachment keeps the screw in place so you can use the SD cordless screwdriver with just one hand. Store bits in the internal rapid reloadable cartridge. No more fumbling in your pockets or watching a bit fall through a floorboard. Next, Bluetooth transmitter receiver. Equipped with latest mature Bluetooth chip and well-designed software, the Bluetooth adapter is an up-to-date audio adapter. Not only helps to upgrade your old audio devices to Bluetooth capable without replacing them but also promises you a CD-like auditory feast. With low latency encoder applied, the audio delay has been minimized to approximately 40 milliseconds. The Bluetooth transmitter will present fully synchronized audio and video. Being able to pair with 2 devices simultaneously, Azedra Bluetooth transmitter can fulfill your thoughts of watching movies together with your loved one using Bluetooth headphones, or to volume up music with 2 Bluetooth speakers playing concurrently. Installed battery could support the Bluetooth adapter to work for 10 hours per full charge. When in the low battery status, the adapter could be plugged into power to get charged while working at the same time. Next, Garmin Inreach Mini, lightweight and compact satellite communicator. Small, rugged, lightweight satellite communicator enables two-way text messaging using the 100% global Iridium network. Access downloadable maps, US NOAA charts, color aerial imagery and more by using the free Garmin EarthMate app and compatible devices. Optional Inreach weather forecast service provides detailed updates directly to your Inreach Mini or paired device. Send and receive Inreach messages through compatible Garmin devices, including connected wearables and handhelds. Next, Modvel 2-pack knee brace. This high-compression knee sleeve brace stabilizes and supports the joint. Not just for injury, this knee brace provides arthritis pain relief and can be worn daily as needed. The Modvel knee sleeve is perfect for activity that involves a great amount of stress on the joints like baseball, basketball, soccer, golf, gym, hiking, running, tennis, volleyball and more. Ergonomic design allows this brace to support the knee joint without getting in your way. Comfortable breathable material moves with so you can stay active.